Help your equipment be compliant for their roles and work sites by adding in their attainments, such as roadworthy, tyre rotation, services, test and tag. Let's hit that download template button and get started. With the Excel spreadsheet open, delete our dummy data and start to populate this with your own information. The red titled tabs are mandatory and may be pre-populated from some earlier onboarding. Once you're happy with your data, head on back to the onboarding screen and hit next. Drag and drop your file and hit next. The system will run its validation checks. Any issues will be listed below with the corresponding Excel line for fixing. Let's hit next. Do a quick review and hit next. Hit that Start Import button. Success! Equipment attainments imported. Curious where this list has landed? Head to Our Equipment, open up a piece of equipment and head to their Attainments tab. Stay audit ready. Update anytime. You've got this.